in it. I don't know how much we missed.
Not much, I don't think.
Oh, that's right. So reset, that's obviously one of the important buttons.
Yep.
To reset back to factory setting. Translator, that's for someone to service again to plug exterior computer or whatever in to check the system. Okay.
Good.
Happy with that?
Assume the top is control, is it? Thermostat?
No, that's carbon monoxide.
Oh, carbon monoxide.
Carbon monoxide alarm and smoke alarm.
Okay.
Yeah, your thermostat. It's either in the panel or in another spot. I'm sure where. They tend to be mainly in the panel.
Okay.
So if you leave the door open, obviously it's going to be working overtime. Okay, it's probably something similar to what you had previously. We're heating the hot water, which is the orange button.
Yep.
Okay, charger button is the green one. So if you make sure that's switched on for when you plug 240 in, it will obviously charge your battery. Reverse polarity is a light, so the red one is actually a light and not a button. When you plug your electrics in, if you go on the continent, they're obviously wire things slightly different than us, and that will tell you that it is reversed. So if plug your electrics in, come and have a look. If it is lit, you're obviously going to need an adapter to change the polarity on it. Okay, 240 trips.
Yeah.
Obviously, it's always wise when you plug your 240 in just to check that and trip it, just to make sure it is tripping. You got 12-volt fuses, so you got info note on what's connected there for your trips and for your fuses. Also got a system shutdown button. Okay, that button there. What that does, that shuts down all the 12-volt systems in the van. So when you're not using it in storage, it's always best to shut that down. It can save you battery. Unless obviously you've got, if you're stored at home and you can plug it into 240, you don't need to worry too much. Yeah, well that's no problem there.
Right. But is it best to
you can if you want to, you can. Tweaking it. Right, on off button is that. So you just press and hold, that switches it on and off. Yeah. Okay, I just touch that then. It just lit it up. It just goes to sleep a little bit after. But it's running on gas at the moment. If I press that one, it's running on electric.
Okay.
Plus that one, that's 12 volts when it's connected to your car. Yeah. So it's showing a fault at the moment, because obviously the car's not connected and obviously the engine's not running.
Sure.
If it comes up with that kind of fault on the gas, that means the gas hasn't lit. If the gas hasn't lit, obviously there's again the same kind of reasons. Either you run out of gas or you haven't turned your gas on, or there may be air in the system. Okay, so best thing to do is just obviously check them things. Probably fire your cooker up just to say you have got gas running. All you do is just press that hazard button there and it'll reattempt to light it. Okay. So just to start your gas, you just press that button. And it should light it. This one's your temperature range. So all 5 lit. That's obviously the coldest it's going to be. Freeze round about average, depends obviously the heater, how warm it is outside. And obviously you got your light on the side here, and also this little contraption there, which is actually to hold the door open when you're in storage. So if I just shut that, it actually operates off the door mechanism itself.
Oh, right,
so it's locked at the moment.
Because the other one used to have a little hook.
A little hook under the handle. This is just holding it enough open so air will circulate. So operate the door handle to get it out. So to get this little contraption out is a bit fiddly. What you push it against the wall, so you're pushing it that direction, push it there, and then slide it towards you.
Oh, okay, all right.
Because it's there to, obviously, you don't want it moving about, so, and then you can just push it straight back. But it is a bit, the other bits. That gives your percentage-wise, so 100%, 50%, or whatever, 100% normally. Press the microwave button again, that gives you your seconds.
Oh, okay.
Okay, don't ask me why it has to be so complicated, but obviously it's starting the way it goes. So to get that, it's microwave button twice, seconds go. You can get the quick start button also is minute increments and it starts straight away. If you just want to warm something up quickly without thinking about it. Obviously all the things is like how it knows how big a fish it is. Look, they move these things all over the place as well. Like this on your roof you've got a solar panel. That's your regulator. It's you don't need to switch it on or off. It's totally automatic. So obviously it realises it needs obviously dropping power, it will obviously start charging your battery from the solar panel. Obviously, depending on if it's light, if it's dark, obviously, or if you've got a cover. It is putting power in at the moment.
Is it?
Yeah, even inside the shed.
Oh my God, there's a bit of blue out there.
But even on daylight, it will give you some. It will give you some. But at the moment, that's showing the red light you've got on the top. It's giving us full 14.5 volts at the moment. That can turn to green, which then is showing it's only giving around about 12.5. 13. The bottom light flashing, that's to say it is charging. There will be occasions when them lights will go off. One, as we just discussed, if it's dark. Obviously it's not going to be doing anything in that. Also, if the battery's fully charged, obviously you've got your 240 charger on. obviously you won't need it then. Also, if the battery is more or less totally discharged, the lights will go off. It's actually saving that bit of power. Them 2 little tiny bulbs there.
Yeah.
It's saving that much energy to put all it can into your battery. Okay, obviously it won't keep everything running in a van. It's not that